Good morning. I'll play Doom, I guess. Fucking. He doesn't have a fucking idea what he's doing. It's been a long morning, and I just kind of want people to know where I'm coming from here. Look at the jingle. Anyway, there's troubling development in terms of this commission. I didn't quite. Okay. Is this Doom 1? It's a Doom. Well, it's not important. What is important is that. Wait, what? Won't work. That's not what that button. Okay, what? Maybe it is. Okay. What I'm trying to say here is that you can. It's all right if you. I mean, is it all right though? That's what I don't know. Like, what if it's not alright? Okay. Ugh. Sorry. I told you. It's been a long day. There's things that people do when they don't understand how you perceive the way that the others perceive. Like, is the AC on? It's like really hot. I'm like sweltering hot. It's like Philadelphia hot. Wait, why Philadelphia? You know what? It doesn't matter. None of this fucking matters. What the fuck is that? Probably fucking Carlos. Fuck, man. I'm gonna listen to anime, so why? Never mind. Alright, I don't want to get killed. I'm just gonna go over here. Ugh. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Shit. Well. Fucking, there we go. This is Doom 1, right? I think I asked that yesterday, but I don't. Look, there is a lot of problems with the way that he's doing these things. Like, I don't. Like, $30 for a picture is fucking ridiculous. Like this got better. There he goes again. Why is Carlos even awake at 1:19 in the morning? It shouldn't be. I mean, he. Sorry. I might have. Look, I only had like one or two. Don't fucking pull me over, alright? Like, I can't. I'm a dog, alright? I can't. I'm not even allowed to drive. So, if you pull me over, you're being a fucking dick. And you can just take your dick and shove it in your other fucking dick where it belongs. Because it's not. That shit's not gonna fucking fly, alright? Fucking. There we go. It's fucking. Alright, I beat him. Wait, no. What is this? Fucking. On the second game? It's not even. Man, I need to... I'm getting old. I just turned 11 recently. That's, like, for a dog, you have no idea how old that is. It's... like... 30s in people. So, that's, like... something I should really be concerned about, is letting that happen. God, why is this game is so fucking hard? You don't know how hard this fucking game is. This game is harder than God. And yes, I mean that. And yet, here I am, playing the fucking game again. It doesn't get any easier. Did you know I'm from Canada, right? I'm not born a Canadian, not born in the USA, or however that... You know what song I'm talking about. It's by... whatever. But I'm not one of those fucking French pieces of shit, alright? I'm from the good part of Canada. I don't go like it is in this part of cheese curd, ha ha ha, surrender, ha ha ha. I'm not one of those people, you know? It's not... God, look at my fucking guy. It's fucking... This is... Oh, okay, well, like, Bash was... Who the fuck is that? Someone change my name again? Alright, well... I'm just gonna go... Oh, I love this. This is how... Now, this is how you beat it. You just run... and make them go away. There is a huge disconnect between the things that he thinks can work and, okay, well, what is this now? Like, this fucking game is so